Yes, people, it's your boy Jay, also known as JVSOP, also known as I'm Broke Baby, and today I'm in Manchester. Got a little bit something different for you guys. I'm gonna go to Manchester Fall Outlet while I'm here, see if there's anything good to pick up, and if there's anything decent, I'm gonna buy it, ship it back home, and then flip it. Also gonna go to the Arndale, probably tonight as well, and then try and go Trafford Centre tomorrow, depending on how much time we got. But yeah, looking forward to making some content in Manchester. Let's see if there's anything decent in Manchester. Let's see if we can make some profit. If I make profit, I might be able to pay for this trip. Got myself a cheeky little hotel room as well, and I'm broke, baby, so I need to pay that off. So yeah, let's see if we can see anything in the outlet.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Yes, guys, I'm outside the Nike store. Hopefully they're gonna be cool and let me film. Some of the security guards are extra, but I've got my mic on and I'll just try to do it low key. But yeah, let's see what they got in here. Hopefully they got a few steals. Let's go. We're gonna see if they got tech fleece. I doubt it though. They never have tech fleece no more. I think this is junior stuff. The tracksuit here. Ain't tech fleece though. If it ain't tech fleece, we don't want it. Tracksuit wears. Junior. Running stuff. Oh wait, that's a junior. No, it's not, is it? Nah, it's not looking promising. They got a Liverpool kit. They can't be selling that, surely. We're in Manchester. No way they're selling a Liverpool kit in Manchester. That's brazy. It's actually brazy. These are nice, but they're not actually here. Let's go get them online. Sorry, mate. What are these? Junior, 34. See, that's not even great. That's not bad, but I mean, I wouldn't bother with them. It's minimum profit. You could make profit from these. You could probably sell them for 30. So you're getting them for what, 20? So yeah, you can make a tenner. You can make a tenner per pair, but it's not really worth it, to be honest. Unless maybe if you're doing it with pocket money, like if you're doing it with your pocket money, buy it for 20, flip it for 30, not too bad. These, if these were 50% off, they wouldn't be bad. These I could see them selling. Like the platform sort of shoes, they always have a market for women. But yeah, it's not cheap enough. Not cheap enough, man. Cool. 30%. It's not great. You want at least 50% for back wall. I've literally got 70% off before on back wall. So I mean, you could spend ages here looking, but it's very unlikely you're gonna find a steal. But I mean, I should have really looked, to be honest. I've never been to this outlet. Let's have a quick look. I mean, all the boxes are looking the same, to be honest. Cool. Okay, let me put the camera down. So we got football boots, 26.95. It's all junior this side. We started off on the okay, they got something I copped before, but I wouldn't bother here. You know what? 16 quid. And you know what? You could flip them. You could make about £12 a pair. Like, look, if you're doing it for your pocket money, it's not that bad. But yeah, I wouldn't bother. These, nah, nothing great there, nothing great. Yeah, so they had these for the same price in the London one. Copped a few of them. The big sizes do actually sell, to be fair. So look, the 11.5, the 12, they would actually sell on StockX. I mean, the price has probably gone down a bit now, but they was going for about £1, and they're only £49.99. So, I mean, after fees and that, it's like £35 profit, so that's good profit. But yeah, I mean, the price has probably gone down a bit now. Okay. Running shoes, I've never been into flipping running shoes, to be honest. Like, they do flip, but I've never been into it. See these. It's not much, to be honest. Like, 93, not bad. Yeah, it's not cheap enough. Bro, it's not very good. Like, it's not very good. I'm disappointed. I thought Manchester would be a bit better, but we're not finished yet. Let's hopefully can pull something out the bag. Even the tech fleece would have been decent. Like a little tech fleece would have been calm. What is that? Oh, we've got bags, football boots. Football boots. These used to flip. Monarchs at some stage when the chunky shoes were in. Chunky shoes were in one time. See, I wish they had some of these. These on Black Friday, they were only like 120, but they were selling for. I'm not selling for a lot. I was selling a lot of them with affiliate marketing, but yeah. If they had them, that would have been calm. Maybe they got some back wall. Not looking good, is it? I think someone clocked me from TikTok. Harachis, the custom Harachis. They look like they've been run out. That's not good, man. Flights, they're not even real flights, they're Flight Legacy, dead. It's dead, bro, it's dead, it's dead. It's not looking good, bro. Not looking good at all. It's pretty dry. These are a nice colorway, actually. They're actually nice. But yeah, not good. Nothing. There's a JD next door. We're gonna have to go JD. Cool, yeah, we're gonna have to go JD, guys. We're gonna have to go JD. So yeah, that was dead. Like literally not one pair that I would flip. Actually, not true. There was the 97s, the gold and silver 97s, but as I said, I already have them. They had them in the London outlet, so there's no point. But yeah, it's not looking good. Yo, so I think I'm near the Arndale City Centre. I see Selfridges behind me. And yeah, so I'm gonna go Selfridges first, but it's definitely gonna be techie to bring the camera in. So if you don't see nothing, you know what happened. Yeah, Selfridges, nothing in Offspring. And I didn't want to film too much, but literally they had nothing. So I think there's a JD Foot Asylum. Gonna check that out, but it looks like Manchester's kind of dead for crepes. So what are we saying? Thumbs up for Manchester, thumb down for Manchester. Let me know in the comments if you think Manchester's dead. For crepes anyway. I ain't got nothing special. The usual stuff, couple dunks, but that's about it. No main Jordans. You know what? I'm surprised that these ain't been popping off since Kim Kardashian was wearing them pink 95s. You know what? They might sell for a bit actually, to be fair, but I can't be bothered to check.
Good,
I'm broke, baby.
I'm broke, baby.
So do you think you can flip in-store releases in Manchester, or is it too hard?
Nah, it's not too hard. You have
Is
to.
there a lot of people?
Nah,
No?
nah.
Okay, so you don't have to line up like 5 a.m, nothing like that, no?
Yeah, you have to. Obviously,
Okay.
like, you have to be first.
But you got to put the work in.
Yeah, you have to chop
Okay,
first before
okay.
some other people chop.
What? You got Size, you got JD,
You got JD.
you got Foot Asylum,
Foot Asylum.
and do you think like it's a good side hustle? Do you think
Yeah.
you could do it For full time? Do you think you could do it full time?
Full time, yeah, but it's hard at first.
Yeah.
At first, it's not always easy.
Do you think it's better as a side hustle or better full time?
Side hustle.
Yeah, side hustle. Okay.
Side
You heard it here. Sneaker reselling's a good side hustle.
For sure.
Love for that, bro. I'm gonna keep it moving.
Love it.
But yeah, man. These. It's the only decent thing I've seen today. I don't even know the price, but I know the colorway will sell. These were actually a good colorway, but no one ever rated them. But yeah, that's literally it, man. We're in JD. Yeah, that's it. Just come out of JD, grab these. Should flip for a bit, but I don't know how much they flip for yet. So we're gonna check out. Probably make a little £40 profit off it, but yeah, let's go to the next shop. They're quite hard, actually. Quite hard. I've never really worn TNs, but some of them are quite hard, to be honest. Some TNs are hard. J's over there. Air Force Ones. Sure, the New Balances sell. But I don't know, I've never really resold them, to be honest. Can't be bothered. Some things I just can't be bothered to resell. Yes, guys, back at the hotel, picked up them dunks. That was it, man. The whole day in Manchester, that's all I could see. I was here to do some other things, but I thought I might as well make a video doing what I do best, seeing what shoes are good to flip. And okay, we got these dunks. So they're red and white. Red and white is always a solid colorway in dunks or in anything in Jordan. So always a good pickup. For me, I'm probably going to get more of these when I'm back in London and probably hold them till summer. However, right now, I'll show you how much they're going for. So size 7 is going for, well, last sold for 160. Say 150 to be conservative. They cost 110, £40 profit before fees. That's not bad. It's not bad. If you got 2 of these, it would have probably paid for my trip to Manchester. So yeah, you never know what you're going to find. A couple pairs of these would have paid for my trip. But like I said, guys, I'm going to have to go. Got other business to do while I'm here. I'll catch you next time. Remember, I'm broke, baby.